Good morning! Today we are doing the Harry Potter studio tour.
Okay, so this is the map of our journey. It's a huge place. Dragon! That's a nice way to start this off. This whole building is just full of surprises. A beautiful screen that circles all the way around, covering half the wall. A ginormous food court with a really cool looking cafe. Love the mixture of greenery in here.
Alright.
But that's just an afterthought because now we're going on the actual tour.
I think action will be better for this one.
Wow, they really pop out at you.
Mr. Dumbledore, sir.
I'm busy. Newt. Spanning 90,000 square meters, this indoor walking tour takes 3 to 4 hours, offering interactive experiences, butterbeer, and the world's largest Harry Potter shops. Let's go! And then they did this whole thing where we couldn't film, but now we're going into the Great Hall. And it's the one place you really want to eat but can't. Truly a magical start to this tour.
Did you put your name in the goblet of fire?
Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Harry Potter.
Concept art, of course, is very important.
And you do an excellent job of showing that. Voila, nearly headless Nick, ascending a staircase. They also had this really cool photo op thing, or video op thing. You basically do a couple little poses and then they put you in the picture frames throughout this little set. I would have filmed the process, but you can't. Oh look, it's the wifey. This alone is worth the ticket for sure. La 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 la. Oh, I want to eat the animal candy and make those fun noises.
It says the set decoration department hired a close friend to hand knit Ron's original blanket. And that's the blanket.
This place is a Harry Potter fan's dream. I had no idea how many little details had to go into something like this. Oh, that's right, and we got to do this little scene as an audience member. It's so fun. Check this out. And here we are. They had us do little cues as things happen. It's a really good souvenir, giving you a chance to act and keep a memory of this wonderful time. Oh, and cringe acting. Now we head to the more dark area. Let me bite an apple and put it into the vanishing cabinet.
I want to thank you, Harry. You must have shown me real loyalty down the chamber.
I loved Dumbledore's study. Aww. Aww. Funny enough, this right here was the inspiration for my YouTube channel, keeping a beautiful Rolodex of all of my magical memories.
Those ideas inspired me to project an elegant strength into her character by having a throwaway luxury in her costumes. That line of thinking led directly to this 1930s inspired Backlot gown.
You can make a Death Eater mask. It was kind of lame. But it's one of those things I'm glad that they made a part of it rather than just skip it.
Can we do this one?
Yeah. And...
So the prop tells you.
There it is.
Warm colors, light and joyful.
Ah, yes, another photo op for wifey and I. Yes. Brew the potion. Brew the potion. Make magic potion. Make magic potion. Dare to dream like a goofball. Anyways, onward.
Ah, what do you see?
What do you see, Harry?
Ah, another wonderful photo op moment. From dark arts to dark things. I love how so far it gets progressively darker and darker and darker, going from that warm castle feeling to the forbidden forest.
It's cool. The floor is swishy.
Go. I think not. My sons and daughters do not harm Hagrid on my command. Must leave.
Okay, let us do an interactive thing before we go, though. Just one little thing. Come on, wifey. You got it.
Expecto Patronum!
Wow, I thought I'd never be cheerful again. Let's check out Hagrid's hut.
見事だ。ちゃんとママが分かってるぞ。
And its Codswell up to blood. Dirty blood. Why there isn't a wizard alive today that's not half blood or less.
The moment we've been waiting for. Time to eat and drink butterbeer. Ah!
Butterbeer, butterbeer. Let's start with wait. What?
Wow, the tour has been incredible. More than what I expected or dreamt of.
It's amazing.
It is so amazing. So we just got 2 butterbeers and they have butterbeer popcorn. I'm so excited. And look at these Niffler buns.
I'm most excited for this.
Me too.
Cold custard Niffler
Yeah.
buns.
Wow, I'm inhaling everything. Come here, Niffler.
You didn't get the custard.
I didn't get the custard yet. So
What is
it's
the
really
head?
dry.
What is the head made of?
Bread.
Tastes like a dinner roll.
I've been sitting out for a long time.
I didn't get the custard yet. How is it?
I still haven't gotten to it yet.
It's a little bland.
Heavy
Not
on
the
the bread.
best.
But you just gotta get it. It looks like a Niffler.
The night bus was smaller than I had thought it would be. Doesn't really tower over me like the one at Universal Studios, but it's still nice. Oh, and the wifey wanted me to walk across this little bridge thing. And then when I get to the middle, I gotta turn to her and say hi. So I'm gonna do what the wifey wants. Hello. Oh my goodness, it feels like we're at Hogwarts. Speaking of Harry's house, doesn't it give you the goosebumps?
Boy, Privet Drive, keep my privacy. Had a little boy from the Death Eaters and Slithersky. In this little house grew a Harry bound to history.
And now it's in Japan, so we can see it together.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I want to go up there. I want to see what's up there. Probably nothing. Oh my gosh, how awesome is this? A very integral piece of Harry's upbringing that we don't get to see much of in the movies. Truly brings some perspective to his past. It makes me wonder how his spine is so straight after sleeping on that thing for so long. Woof, so many dishes.
It's just like the movie.
What a lovely day to blow up Marge. Sorry, on to food at the Backlot Cafe. So is this the house special? Ooh, try Wizard Tournament after tea. We ended up getting a Gryffindor roast beef plate and a Hedwig cake.
Isn't this the most beautiful sight? We got the Hedwig cake, and here's the Gryffindor meal. Roast beef.
And look at the burger we got. I forget what it's called.
It's called the Backlot Burger.
Oh, Hedwig! Oh,
Candy hearts.
It's delicious.
If you're enjoying our content so far, please hit subscribe. Thank you. All right, before we go on the train, let's check out the store. The railway shop. We didn't purchase anything here. Onward we go. I love how this place is mapped out. Nothing ever gets boring. And the amount of props they have from the actual movies would be impressive to even the biggest Harry Potter fans alive. Oh my goodness me, we've arrived to the Ministry. This was the part I was looking forward to the most. I was expecting slightly bigger scale, but still, this was awesome. And you could play with flu powder.
Looks like Wizards have a lot of sugar.
Oh, the Hagrid head is really cool. Creature is on display. Oh, Darby. And look, Niffler. Oh. Well, go on, pet its spine.
All kinds of facts, like weight or butter, coin spilling, a human heartbeat.
An ear. Holy moly, they even have a Diagon Alley.
Welcome, Harry, to Diagon Alley. This is a bit cool from your end.
The sets in here are more intricate and well put together than Universal Studios in terms of details. It's absolutely stunning to see all of this craftsmanship come together. Oh, you think you're done? No. There's more. Go on, walk down the hall now. Honeydukes is my favorite part of all of Harry Potter. That and Weasley Wizard Wheezes. I like them both. If there was a real Honeydukes store, not just the one at Universal, but an actual Honeydukes, I would be working there right now, causing all sorts of mischief. And with one final look at this beautiful castle replica, we have ended our tour. And now must slowly proceed to the biggest Harry Potter shop in the world. I thought the one in London would be bigger. Anyways, here's the store. Ooh, little Niffler bites.
Harry Potter Lego sets. Back to Hogwarts.
I suspect the Nargles are behind it. Exceptionally ordinary.
Happy birthday, Harry!
Wow, it is super duper clean in this store. I love it. Side note, this would make a really creepy liminal space, you know? Ooh, Minalima, Tokyo! They always have some unique stuff. Let's go check it out. Whoa. This place is magnificent. Oh, and we had the opportunity to film a Harry Potter movie. Check it out.
Wow. We just finished the tour, the making of Harry Potter.
It's very long and amazing.
Yeah, it didn't feel like it was long though. We spent 6 hours, including drinking butterbeer, to be fair. But there was plenty to see. So many amazing photo ops. Yeah, very impressive. Lots of big sets.
I don't know how they fit it all into this building.
Brilliant. So many interactive things that you can do. So there's no boring moments really. And everything is just giant. Very impressive, right? It's magical.
So, if you happen to be in Tokyo and like Harry Potter, maybe come here. I don't know. Let us know in the comments below if you ended up having this experience as well. We definitely recommend it. And we can't wait to share more experiences with you in the future. But until then,